Oh, hello, everybody. What are you guys doing here? Oh, hi, Mr. Bill. Is that your name, Mr. Bill? How do you spell it? B-O. Will you stop messing around? Don't be here. We've got a show to do.
Sorry about that. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the world-famous Blackpool Tower Circus. We hope you enjoy the show. I'm sure you will. I always bring the house down. Mookie, where are you?
Sorry. Well, he always said he wanted to bring the house down.
My lords, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on earth. You're going to be thrilled, amazed, you're going to have laughter. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the circus.
Can you run a bit faster? Right, faster!
Let's not going to celebrate Circus.
Absolutely, guys. And just remember to eat your vegetables and floss your teeth. And if you're driving home, make sure you get a bath.
Stop being ridiculous. Come over here. People don't want to hear your rubbish.